Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Step into a world where elegance meets timeless beauty. Today we unveil a gown that defines pure sophistication. Watch how one stunning gown transforms every moment in magic. Long gown outfits. She steps into the room wearing a breathtaking long gown that seems to glide with every movement. The dress is crafted from luxurious flowing fabric that drapes effortlessly from the shoulders down to the floor, creating a silhouette that is both regal and the body is delicately tailored, hugging the torso with gracefully precision, while subtle stitching enhances the natural curves without being overpowering. A soft shimmer runs through the fabric, catching the light in the most enchanting way. Each step creates a gentle sparkle, like moonlight dancing on water. The neckline is refined and feminine, balancing sophistications which are with intricate beadwork, fine lace, or elegant embroidery. The details is add depth and richness, making the gown feel like a piece of wearable art. The skirt flows in generous layers, cascading down like waves of silk, creating a dramatic yet graceful movement as she walks. The fabric sways around her like a soft cloud, leaving behind an impression of elegance and charm. The gown elevates her figure beautifully, giving her a poised and squeeze presence paired with delicate jewelry, soft makeup, and elegant hairstyle. The entire look becomes the perfect blend of timeless beauty and modern luxury. This is gown that does just dress her, it transforms her, making her look effortlessly refined, confident, and the body features intricate detailing, delicate embroidery traced with fine metallic threads, adding a touch of regal sophistication. Subtle beadworks glimmers like tiny constellations, drawing the eye to her refined neckline. The sleeves fall gracefully at the sheer end, tailored for a modern structured look, enhancing the gown's timeless charm. As she moves, the gown drapes effortlessly, the long train gliding behind her with a majestic presence. Every fold, every shimmer, every detail speak of luxury and craftsmanship. It's an outfit designed not only to be worn but to experience a perfect blend of classic elegance and contemporary refinement. This gown transforms her presence into something truly unforgettable. Extending long gown outfit, she appears in a gown that seems almost sculpted from elegance itself, a masterpiece of craftsmanship and poetic design. The moment she steps into the light, fabric awakens, catching every glimmer and casting a soft radiance around her. The material is a luxurious blend of silk and chiffon, layered with an airy delicate that lets the gown float with each step. Its color is deep and enchanting, somewhere between moonlight silver and soft campaigns, creating a tone that feels both regal and ethereal. The bodies is where artistry truly lives, hand stitched embroidery winds across the chest like a delicate wine embellished with the fine crystals that sparkle subtly rather than a short. Each bead is placed with an intention, forming a pattern that highlights the natural lines for her frame. The neckline is sculpted to draw attention to her collar seamlessly. Her sleeves adds another dimension, flowing softly down her arms like a quiet whisper of fabric. Whether sheer or lace detail, they are charm that blends seamlessly with the gown's timeless silhouette. As she moves, the sleeves sway, elegance adding life and gentle movement. The skirt is the heart of gown, a full sweeping cascade of layered fabric that ripples like waves. With every step, it glides across the floor, creating a soft rhythmic whisper reminiscent of a crystal waltz. A subtle train tailors behind her long enough to feel majestic but light enough to maintain effortless movement. When she turns, the gown flows like a royal shadow, capturing the graceful arc of her motion. The back of the gown is a masterpiece on its own. A faint shimmer breezes through the entire gown, not overpowering but perfectly balanced, just enough to relax. Light like morning dew resting on petals, every detail cohesive, every ornament proposal creating a harmony between luxury and softness. It is the kind of gown that transforms a moment into a memory. A dress that does just compliment her, it elevates her. She stands not only dressed in beauty but surrounded by its carrying the timeless aura of classic blended with modern culture. Ultra detailed long gowns outfits. She enters with a quiet majesty, wrapped in a gown that looks as if it were woven from the soft glow of straight light. The moment she appears the room, she seems to fall into a gentle silence, as thought every thread of her gown carries a story worn listening to the fabric, a dreamy blend of silk, organza, and luminous satin flows with a liquid softness. It shimmers not sharply but like moonlight rippling across calm water, subtle, graceful, endlessly mesmerizing. The color is a masterpiece in itself, a delicate gradient that moves from soft curl at the neckline to a deeper, richer hue near the hem. This gentle, ombre effect gives the gown a living quietly as thought it shifts with the her breath. Under bright light, the tones bloom into a faint iridescence, revealing carefully hidden sparkles stitched between the folds of fabric. The body is exquisitely structured, hugging her from with a sculpted precision that feels both regal and softly feminine. Intricate hand embroidery inspired by vintage lace motifs dances across different tiny metallic threads catching the light in delicate patterns. Each crystal bead swaying individually by hands glisten like a drop of early morning dew. The necklace is refined sweep, neither too bold nor too modest, designed to highlight her collarbones like a piece of art. Her sleeves are a whisper of elegance, crafted from sheer tulle. They float lightly around her arms, embroidered with faint floral trails that seems of blossoms. As she moves, a gentle curve of bead works encircles each wrist, sparkling, subtle with her graceful gestures. When she lifts her hand, the sleeves ripple like soft wings, adding a poetic movement to her silhouette. The skirt is the soul of the gown, a magnified cascade of layered fabric that flows with an enhancing rhythms. The upper layers are further light drifting like petals caught in a delicate breeze beneath them, rich silk panels give the gown its dramatic sweeps, allowing it to glide with a regal weight. Or as she walks, the train extends behind her in a slow, fluid motions long enough to command a way, yet tailored with a finesse that keeps it effortlessly elegant. As she turns, the gown moves like a story, unfolding folds of fabric catch the light, creating shifting patterns of glow and shadow. The gentle rustle of the skirt, a soft, elegant whisper, adds a sense of presence as though she is moving through a world crafted just for her. The back of the gown holds its own breathtaking detail. A delicately scooped design reveals a graceful line, while a tail of the miniatures of pearls like button descends in perfect symmetry. In some lights, the embroidery along the back appears like silvers vines tracing her silhouette. In others, the crystal give of dream milk sparkle around her waist. A slender hand beaded belt defines her shape with a quiet sophistication. It glimmers softly every time she shifts, adding a touch of luxury without overpowering. The gown's screens beauty. Every element works in a harmony fabric, shimmer, silhouette detail coming together to create a gown that feels almost overworldly. It carries the grace of classic contour of the world, elegance and the freshness of modern designs. When she moves, she does not merely walk, she drifts. The glides, she captivates. The gown doesn't just adorn her, it transforms her into a vision of timeless enhancement. As thought she has stepped out of a dream woman with light, artistry, pure imaginations. Ultra luxury contour gowns. She emerges like a vision carved from the elegance itself, wrapped in a gown that feels less like fabric and more like a living piece of art. The moment she steps into a view, a gentle hush settles around her as if the air itself pauses to admire the breathtaking harmony of craftsmanship and beauty she carries. Every movement, every shape to her silhouette reveals a new layer of artistry stitched into the very soul of this extraordinary piece. The gown's fabric is a rare fusion of silk, chiffon, luminous satins, and whisper light organza. These layers melt into one another like watercolors on fine paper, creating a soft radiance that seems to glow from within. Each fold reflects the light with a serene brilliance, never harsh, never loud, just a subtle shimmer that gives the gown a celestial aura. The color is divine, a graceful vision of soft compassion, warm ivory, and hints of pale gold, forming a tone that feels timeless, regal, and impossibly defined. The bodice is a true masterpiece of contour craftsmanship. Intricate embroidery spreads across it like an enchanted garden of metallic vines and delicate blossoms. Every swirl of threads has been placed with painstaking precision, forming patterns that illuminate her silhouette in the most. Embroidery are thousands of tiny crystals, each one of swan by hand, catching the light like stars woven into the fabric. The neckline curved gently sculpted to enhance the natural grace of her silhouette, shoulders and collarbones, making her presence feel effortlessly elegant and impossibly graceful. Her sleeves are soft extensions of the gown magic made from the sheerest tulle. They float gently around her arms, embroidered with filigree like motifs that shimmer as through dusted with the stardust. The sleeves tapers into delicately beaded cuffs, the crystals arranged so meticulously that they reflect like a subtle halo around her hands. When she lifts her arm, the sleeve bloom with movement, creating a visual ballet of fabric, shimmer, and air. The skirt is an entire university of beauty. It unfolds from the waist in grand, sweeping layers that move with the rhythm all their own. Each layer is cut with masterful precision, designed to glide effortlessly, even majestically, with every step. Feathers light chiffon ripple like gentle waves on a still lake. Beneath them, richer panels of satin add structure and presence, giving the skirt a luxurious volume without ever feeling heavy. As she walks, the skirt flows behind her in a slow, elegant cascades, forming a train that whispers across the floor like poetry made tangible. The train itself is a masterpiece. It extends gracefully, its edges embroidered with a border of hand-stitched patterns that shimmer like delicate frost of winter glass. When she pauses, the train settles around her like a regal silhouette. The black features deep sculpture, curved, tasteful, refined, and slightly graceful. A row of tiny pearls, like button trails down her spine, each one of small jewel set against the luminous fabric. The embroidery continues along her back in delicate arcs, forming patterns that look like moonlight vines winding gently across her silhouette. Around her waist, a slender belt crafted from hand embroidered beads defines her figure with quaint sophistications. It catches the gown with just enough structure to highlight her shape while maintaining the gown ethereal flow. Every detail of the gown is perfectly balanced luxury woman with softness, elegance fused with artistry, opulence grounded in purity. It's not just primarily an outfit, it is an experience, a gown that transforms her presence into something almost divine. She becomes the embodiment of timeless beauty and vision that lingers in the mind of long after she passed. As she moves, she doesn't not simplify that cross a room. She glides through like a dream, unfolding its slow motion. Each step a moment of art, each turn a breath of magic, and step a moment of art. Each turns a breath of magic. This gown isn't just worn, it is lived, its felt, it is fortune capable. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.